Hi, I'm Wayne White. I'm here in Wichita for the big Sundown Parade at River Fest. I'm here as an artist in residence, and we're building some giant parade puppets for the Sundown Parade. Three main things we're doing is we're going to do a cattle drive puppet scenario with a big cowboy on a horse with a bunch of cows all around him, milling around, going crazy. Different cow heads. Some are going to be kind of abstract. Some will sort of look like airplanes. It's kind of a mashup of the past and the present. It's the history of Wichita. This big cowboy here will be on a wheeled platform, float type device. Be operated from below with puppeteers. He'll have a rope. He'll be riding the horse. The cows will be cooked, going crazy all around him. At least 25 cows, clouds of dust. Very cartoony. And then we have the world's longest Conestoga Wagon. It's kind of a combination of a Chinese dragon and a Conestoga wagon that slinks down the street like a Chinese dragon. And then we have the Ballet of the B29, which is a B29 of different parts, the wings, the fuselage, different parts of this. And they will dance around and come together and fly apart and come together. It's an homage, of course, to the airline industry here, especially the World War II era. And I hope to have Rosie the Riveter, a big-headed Rosie the Riveter walking around, putting in the final bolts. So those are the three big components of our puppet parade section of it.